Hello everyone. Today I'm going to code to calculate body mass index using a Java, a simple code, couple line code. So first I will create the Java class. Say uh, BMI one. Let's say body mass. Say I one. Let's say version one. And you can easier static. Okay. So let's say so it's very simple. Obviously we can use the main method. So before I start writing a code, I just mention this is just a package. uh, Under this package, this is organized package. So within the package we can have class. So public class, you can name the class name anything you want it, but in this case this is a body mass index. So I just put BMI1. The public stat void is the main method. So previous tutorial I will mention detail, but this is a simple public. It's public can accessible. So access modifier. So any anywhere we can access publicly available. The static and void. So void doesn't return, and the main is main method, and then string argument. So if you want to learn more about it, you can go to my previous tutorial. You can take a look. So uh, moving forward, so first you need a say we are using a scanner. So scanner, let's say C scanner new scanner, and system.in one line. So scanner, you need to import the scanner. So just input class, import the scanner. So this is system input. So you need, in order to use the scanner, you need to import this one. So system in. So system is nothing but it takes the input, user input through the keyboard. And next what we need is, let's say we have to print system dot out in print. So print, what we want to print is, let's you can input weight in will to pound. So you can do in kilogram, right? It depends, but I will do the pound. But usually the pound is everywhere pretty much. They use pound, especially Western. It's uh, so double. So user, this is some nothing but the giving the user to the direction, so that user put the number. Uh, Wait, see, double, and make sure that you have to put the semicolon. Um, so this line is double weight, so it will accept the number, not the string value. Only the number value will accept it. So if the user put the character, it will give the error. So per weight should be a number. Next, what next thing is we need is height. Obviously, you need to do some calculation. So height, let's say input your height in, let's say, inches. You can put foot, you can put a meter, but this is more uh, convenient. So everyone says each and foot and each. And you can also double height. So height should be a number as well. So you don't want to put the character. So, next thing is uh, you need to calculate the body mass index. So uh, as a mathematician, you need some math. So body index is weight divided by height equal to usually the mass body mass index. So I will do you can look at the formula as well. So usually so I will double, you want to double BMI, say BMI equal to you need weight, and the you need to convert to the kilo to pound, since this is pound. So convert kilo to pound is 0.0 no 0.45 uh, 36, and divide height equal to 0.254 Okay, so okay, height. You have to close this one. Okay, I will mention one more again. So what it does is uh, double and BMI, a body mass index. So weight, right? Usually weight over height square. So what I did is weight is in kilo. So I just convert to kilogram to pound with this number, and then this height is in meter. What beginning is a meter, and then I convert to the inches, right? So meter, foot, foot, and inches. So square. That's it's a just convert to inches, and obviously you need system print and the message. Uh, let's say, and your body mass index is okay, and is right, no, close, and then plus mi plus whatever the once they calculate this one, whatever the result, the BMI, that's put in here. So that's where BMI plus. And obviously you need close. Print and T. BMI. It should be well. Okay. Okay, you need this one. So, but here you don't need to put anything. Uh, uh, yeah, that's it. So the whole line is this is the input in a pound, and then this is input in inches, and then this is the calculation, right? And then this is the final result. This will, so just check this one. Okay, run. Okay, there you go. And you have to put let's say pound 140, and inches, let's say 12 inch 1 foot, 12 feet 60 inch 5 foot, and let's say 5 foot 4 inch, it's 64. Let's say 64 inches. Enter. So your body mass index is 24. Okay, that's good. So let's make sure this one pound. Let's see. Okay, little bit nicer. Sluggish. Okay. And input. Okay, one more time. Okay. Okay. So 160 pound, right? And then if it's the height is 5 foot, so 60 with 31. It's obviously the obvious. So you can range the categorize the obvious range or normal range or the overwide range. So and then you can use if condition and then display based on that one. So uh, I think that's all for today. So just keep watching. I will make a more video. Thank you.